to my channel, Baking and Buttercream. Today we're making cake pops for the New Year's. So let's take a break and bake. Hey Baking and Buttercream viewers, I'm so glad to be back with you guys after taking a couple weeks off. I know New Year's was last week, but I still want to make a New Year's treat for you guys. So I decided to make cake pops and on the outside to be decorated with royal icing to say 2019. If you enjoy cake pop videos or any baking videos, please like this video, comment down below on another treat you want me to make, and some challenge video ideas, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and click the bell icon to get notified when I upload. Now let's make these cake pops. The ingredients you need are your favorite chocolate cake, crumbs, chocolate buttercream, candy melts, and royal icing. The first step to making these delicious cake pops, you're going to start combining your buttercream and your cake crumbs. There's no amount of cake to buttercream ratio, but what you're going to do, you're going to add buttercream until your cake becomes a nice dough. After that, you're going to shape it into a ball in your hands and set it to the side. Put those in the fridge for 1 hour. Now, using the double broiler method, we're going to melt our candy melts. Once our candy melts are all melted, we're going to take one of our little skewers, dip one end into the candy melt, and insert it into the cake pop. We'll put that back into the fridge for about 5 to 10 minutes for it to completely harden, so the cake pop will be stuck to the skewer. After the 5 to 10 minutes, we'll take them back out of the fridge and dip them completely in candy melt. And for the last chilling time, we'll put them into the freezer for 30 minutes or until the candy coating has hardened. So I wasn't able to pipe 2019 onto these cupcakes, so I piped 2019 on the bowl that they were in and sprinkled some silver and gold luster dust. And they look so good. And now it's time for the taste test. They don't just look good, they taste amazing. Totally try this recipe. Actually, I really like the luster dust on top of the cupcakes. They look so good, and I think I might eat a little bit of the new year. Thank you so much for watching this video on Baking and Buttercream. Like this video if you enjoyed learning how to make a delicious cake pop, and share it with all your friends. This is the new year and I wanted my channel to grow so much this year. Comment down below on another dessert you'd like me to make or a fun video idea. And don't forget to click the red button to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell to get notified when I upload. Check out the description box as well. I have social media links to both Facebook and Instagram. And just check out my website in general. It's a pretty cool website. You can learn about me and watch my videos and even learn about baking and buttercream. This video YouTube really recommends. I really recommend this one. And click this icon over here to subscribe to my channel. Alright, have a great day.